No, it's quite an honor to have a very high class lady like you come to my house here to come and see.
It's also an honor for you to accept me into your board.
You're just being modest. Forget it. It's a bigger honor for me. It's a bigger honor for me. Thank you so
I want
much.
to be seated.
Oh, I'll get you.
No, don't worry yourself. I would love to sit there.
On those bamboo? No.
No, I want to sit there.
No, you cannot do that.
I'm rich out already.
No.
Are you doing that?
Nonsense.
I will be comfortable, don't worry.
How is that comfortable?
Very, very.
Are you sure? Okay, how about you sit here?
No.
Let me sit there. Okay.
Idozie, is it true that you killed your mother?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.